Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Thursday the 11th of August 2022. Well, risk assets have been enjoying some tailwinds following the US CPI, the softer than expected US CPI print yesterday. In yesterday's brief, we're previewing the release, the data release itself, and we were suggesting a soft release would see risk assets, including cryptos, bid, and that's pretty much what we got, with Bitcoin basically bouncing and fading its earlier losses. It was a bit risk off heading into the event itself, but then since then we've found that really nice bounce. Bitcoin as well, obviously you got the fundamental reason of the US CPI, but also from a technical perspective, Bitcoin looking quite nice because we came into that 50-day moving average, okay, not exactly on the point, but we weren't too far away from the channel lows as well, and we've seen a really nice bounce. So this structure remains. We've had a strong day so far today, so markets again in the green, all risk assets in the green so far, but we have just had a knockback off that high from July. So that was the 30th of July. It's basically the highest it's the highest price we traded at since back when markets were getting absolutely smashed earlier on in mid-June, and really need to see now move above here. Otherwise, a rejection at this particular high could see a move back into 24, and then bears might just say, okay, hang on, we're not moving that quickly, and it could be a chance to move back into this little bit of a range around 23. Ethereum though has broken out. We've seen a really strong close above all its recent highs, and it is now trading at highest levels since we were where were we back here in the early June. So now strong day for Ethereum yesterday, broken to the upside, and a move into 2000 is looking quite likely from here. Ripple, meanwhile, hasn't had quite the same, the release yesterday didn't have quite the same impact, and Litecoin, as you can see, yes, bit of a spike, but nowhere near what we've seen on Bitcoin and Ethereum, taking out its highs, for example, whereas Ripple still pretty much stuck within its range, as you can see, and this high, this particular level at 0.3870 is absolutely key. You see the knockbacks that we've had the last few times we've been here, and already over the past 3 hours of trading we've had that as well, so just watch out for potential downside creeping in on Ripple. Litecoin needs to now hold above 60. If it can hold at 60, find enough support, we are continuing to put in this series of high lows since the low back in the middle of June. And now if we can take out this most recent high, it will look like a typical breakout. We're poised for a breakout now to the upside, and we could see a run into levels such as 70 and even 75 on Litecoin. That's a wrap for today's market brief. I'll see you all inside the crypto chat room. See you all soon. Bye for now.